Stop wasting hours on thumbnails or prank designers. Today I'm going to show you how to generate viral MrBeast style thumbnails for completely free using a secret AI prompt. Let's get into it. So first you need to do is you need to go back to Google and type it in Google Flow. And we're going to click on the first link right here. You need to create a Gmail account since I'm already logged into it. We're going to click on create with Flow. And this is the video thumbnail we're going to be recreating actually. So we're going to go into MrBeast. Once you're in it, all you need to do is click on MrBeast account. For this video purposes, this is the thumbnail we're going to be recreating it. So we'll go back into Flow and click on new project. We're going to let it load. It'll take a couple of seconds. So it's going to ask me what prompt would you like to create today. So there's a couple of settings you need to understand is images. You can also be able to create video, but those takes credits. So in this case, we're going to be generating an image and 16:9, which YouTube uses it. For one prompt, you can be able to go up to 4 images. We're going to click on 4. You can generate 2 or 3, but we're going to be using 4. Nano Banana Pro is the very recent one, so we're going to be clicking on that one. As you can see, this is 0 credits. So all it is we're going to go back to, I already generated this prompt right here. If you guys need this prompt, comment free and I'll be able to send it over to you. I'm going to go back to Flow, copy paste it right here, and let the magic begin. We're going to click on create and give it a couple of seconds. It's going to be generating an images for us. I'm going to be moving it forward so we can go tell the results. All right, so it already made us 4 thumbnails. Look at the quality of it. It almost look exactly as MrBeast's viral thumbnails. So this is how you generate free thumbnails for your videos. If you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe, and share with your friends.